Right then, so another body shop video. We've not done one of these for a while. We've just been that busy chewing through jobs that we've not really seen the point. But this one's a bit more of an interesting job for one of my neighbours, and basically what they've done, they've come to us and said, we've got a budget and it's a decent budget, we've got an idea and we want you to try and sort of achieve our goal. So what we've decided to do, it's a Louboutin theme, so don't know how it's going to turn out, but we've got an idea. But it's basically going to be black with red accents, and the black's going to be a specific black to match their other car, which it's not a Volkswagen, so we'll see how that works out. Well, Audi should I say. But the red is obviously going to have to be matching the shoes. So Alan's gone around it with a customer, come up with what we're going to do. And basically there's just going to be a little bits of red here and there, which we'll let that all come to sort of fruition when it's sorted. We're going to refurb, if we go to this side, the brake calipers, because these are a bit scruffy. Obviously bits of damage here and there as well. And we'll see on the video, the wheels are absolutely horrible, so we're going to put these rotiforms, which have come from LK Performance. Cheers for sorting at a good price out. And then we're going to wrap them in some Yokohama tyres. So they're over at near the tyre machine, ready for when Alan's finished doing his doing, because the wheels are getting some custom paint as well. So this is going to be a show finish, because the budget allows. It's a lot more work. So we'll try and show a comparison if we can. All the other jobs that we've done so far have just been factory finish paint. So it's going to be nice to show off what we can actually do in the booth. Alan's skills, Lee's skills, they'll all be on display with this one car. So hopefully it works out. We'll try and keep along, but the customer just wants one big reveal, so it's not going to be a series. They don't want to see it until it's finished. So we'll see how we get on. Right then, so it was a few weeks ago since I was stood in front of this car talking about it, and I think we've had probably 130 hours or something like that working on it, so it's been a hell of a lot of work, but hopefully from what you've seen you're impressed, because I've had a good look round it and can't pick any faults whatsoever. It's absolutely mint. Alan, who's painted it, reckons it's better than his show car that he spent hundreds and hundreds of hours on as well, so that's good. Testament to what he can do and what they move and the materials we're using and the methods. So as you could see from the video, it's all been wet flattered and lacquered twice, so that gets you like glass finish. Takes absolutely ages to that. It's probably nearly half the time is just doing it again basically. So really impressed. The wiper's gone, the wheels have been picked. These are, what are they, BCM, Rotiform BCM, BUCM, I don't bloody know, we'll put it up on there anyway, all these silly numbers and names. These only come in a matte finish, so Alan's done red, he's painted them gloss black, then he's put the logo on there, and then he's painted them red. So there's probably 20 or 30 hours in doing them, which is stupid really, because we just did this for one price. We've gone way beyond what we needed to do. The black is a Ferrari black and the red is Ferrari red. They're both really nice colours, and we need to hurry up with this video because the customer's not seen it and they're on the way now, so we need to do a bit of a reveal. But yeah, they've done a right job of it, like all in the door shuts, all the way up to the rubbers, so you can't see any of that. I don't even know if boot will open. I don't know, do I need to pop it on key for boot? I do, don't I? We'll do the bonnet first. I'm here. See if boot goes. Yeah, it goes, it works. It's like under the bonnet, the only bits you can see that are silver are sort of hiding away anyway, so it's worked out really nice. They didn't care about this, but we just said, let's do it properly. Underneath the bonnet's been done as well. That's a really nice finish. And then got the logo there. And we've done all under the boot as well, so it looks absolutely perfect. There's literally no reason why this, if it didn't just have H&R springs, like Danny said, maybe a little bit more aggressive wheel fitment, some air ride, this is a show car all day. It's really, really good. We've done the exhaust tips as well, and I think the subtle red, like just underneath the spoiler, obviously the bottom of the splitter, diffuser, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, it's just the little touches that we've done, they've just made it look, the bottom of the shoe that's been painted there as well, heel, sole. Yeah, I think the pictures and videos should do it more justice than any of my words can, so we'll hurry up, get it back in there and do the reveal soon. So they're here to collect it, see what reaction we get. So the reveal's going to happen. I don't know how all this stuff works. So I'm standing out of this shot here, Mel. I don't need to be in on this one. I'll be inside. I hope you like it.
Oh my god. So small. God, I'm getting all emotional. I don't know why.
No, where are you going, Alan?
Oh
We've not rehearsed this, so it's all good. It's all good, right? So a bit of way up. Are crazy to go on red.
Yeah, no, I love
Obviously,
it.
because it's only the sole, we're like, do you want to start bringing it really up into grills and stuff like that? But I think it's just.
Oh, it's beautiful.
The only thing we didn't do
amazing.
that we wanted to do is
Oh,
stick these studs on. But then mirrors are 500 quid each, and if we did it wrong,
Yeah.
so
Oh,
to there,
God,
if you're feeling craftsy, you can do them. Blow and show finish. You do it all twice. You have to rub every bit of it down and then lacquer it all again. So it's like 130 hours, I think, something like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Right.
Oh my god, look at that! Oh man, that is so cool.
Your aerials disappeared as well.
Yeah.
Just smooth that out. I don't know if you can see
inside
the
the
wheel.
wheels.
You can see inside the wheels.
Oh my god, oh my
So they've been
god, that
painted
is
3 times
amazing.
to achieve that.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
The front calipers have got it on it as
Yeah,
well.
yeah, calipers have got logo on.
Oh, it's ridiculous.
In a good way.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, thank God, Alan. Alan's been sweating for the last 2 weeks.
Yeah.
He's like, I hope it's enough.
And the badge on the front, we
3D printed that.
I hope we got the logo right.
oh my god.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
But that's, what is it, Ferrari? That's Rosso red.
Yeah, Ferrari red and Nero black.
Got Ferrari colours. But I think it's subtle enough that it's
Yeah.
not like, I think we're going to go a bit crazy with red and we're like, it's just going to look chavvy, like you've just gone to Alf and stuck it on, but
Oh, I love it. It's amazing. You love it.
I do. I love how I'm going to steal it.
now we need to talk about Bill, it's twice as much. I said it were going to be.
Well, then it's definitely her
wow.
car.
Yeah. You're not sharing it anymore.
Tailpipes have been done as well,
Yeah.
just obviously.
And we did.
So it's
Alan kept coming and telling me it's going to take this much longer if we do this and this much longer if we do that, and we just said just do it.
yeah.
Like under the bonnet, that's all been done so
Oh
you
my
can't
God,
see
yeah.
it.
All your bonnet hinges underneath.
Yeah, all underneath the bonnet is all done. So literally, if you ever did come to sell it, there's no like, it's only
That's
been
never
half
going
done.
to happen. We'll keep it till it dies.
Yeah.
Can you see that it's got to be your labour of love now?
You've got Keith.
It's in it.
Yes, I
Oh no, sure.
See it? Just pop them.
See the tailpipes.
It's too cold to be out.
And now black.
I've prepped a guy who's a massive Darkside fan.
Yeah.
He watches all YouTube videos, and I've told him he needs to come and clean it for me. So
That's all right. Gives me a peace of mind that it's going to get looked at.
Yeah, we would expect you to take it to £5 car wash and just let him
no.
do it TFR.
Yeah.
He will love cleaning
Acid,
this.
yeah.
And shot blast off it.
Yeah.
They're your keys anyway.
But thank you
Officially
very
being
much,
pimped.
guys.
We're happy to do it.
You know, you can get me trainers in. Put them on especially. With Louboutins on.
With the roof.
So, I think the reaction was better than expected. Really happy with it. Hope the video turns out interesting. It's took a long time to film and a long time to do all the work as well. So
it did get a little bit wet inside, which I dried out.